Right, we're just going to do a little circular walk, starting off from Broadway, just parked on West End Lane, and we're going to do a 3 or 4 mile circuit, maybe not even that far, up the hill and across through the woods and up another hill and past a Roman hill fort, and then back down the hill. So, yep, let's go. Okay, that's the first bit. Just keeping Archie on the lead while we go through the woods. Sorry, while we go through this field, because there's a few sheep in there. We're into the woods, we're into the woods, we're into the woods. We're going into the woods. Right, that's the first little hill conquered. A nice little view back down over there towards Broadway. You spotted something a minute ago. Maybe a squirrel. Yeah, and then you come out the woods and this is the beautiful view that you get greeted with. Good Breeden Hill there. Oh, I spotted that in the distance. That's 47. Please. You come over this hill and you get a right good panoramic view all the way to Cleve Hill, which overlooks Cheltenham. We've got the Vale of Evesham over there. Yes, you can see Evesham Bell Tower in the distance. Lovely. Now we have the big climb of the walk. Way up there. Probably doesn't look very steep on the camera, but it is pretty steep. But we'll make it when we arch, eh? No problem for us fitness guys, us fitness gurus. More intrepid explorers on the Cotswold Way. Anyway, just got to the top of that hill. And we get rewarded with that view. There's my finger. And if you zoom in over there, look, it's Broadway Tower. So we're nearly at the same level as. Some nice, I think they're belted Galloway cows over there, having their munchies. So this is, or was, Burr Hill Iron Age hill fort. Not much left of it now. Just I think that bit along there are the old burial mounds. Well, basically, I came up here to have a look and see if I could see any red kites, but just scanning the skies around me at the moment, and there doesn't appear to be any around this area, certainly. They are around here somewhere, but just not in this particular spot. Although, you know what they're like, be patient, and hopefully something will turn up, or maybe just a buzzard. Okay, anyway, we're going to chillax around here for a bit, because it is actually a really stunning spot. So there's nobody around at the moment either. So yeah, we're going to have a chill pill. Those cows have now had their lunch. Making their way across the field again. Meandering slowly. And there's the rest of the belted yellowwings. And then this is the last bit, the open path, before we head down into the woods again. We drop down, turn of the field, and back to the car again. I think Archie's had fun, haven't you, Arch? Really? Have you had fun? Have you had fun? I'm sure he has. Don't pan the camera too fast. Keeps telling me off. Wonderful. It'd be really nice round here. Nice of you, isn't it? You know what I mean, geezer? Nice of you, isn't it? Back on the Cotswold Way now. Overlooking Broadway again. That drop down onto the lane mower. Bit to the field. Look at that. What say you, Archie? Nice walk or what? Happy with that one? Yes, Dad.